Madalas naririnig ko Luke chapter 22 verse 36 is about self-defense. Now, don't get me wrong. I do believe that there is a place for that. Especially kapag kailangan mong protektahan ang mahal mo sa buhay, pag kailangan protektahan ang inosente, no? Take for example, ang anak mo sinasaktan, nire-rape, anong gagawin mo? Tatayo ka lang ba dyan? You're gonna preach the gospel and hopefully he changes his mind? Of course, that's never going to happen. You have to do what you need to do, even if that means resorting to violence in order to neutralize the threat. Ganun din ang mga sundalo. Ganun din ang mga pulis. God placed them there. He establishes government in order to take care to protect the people from harm, from mga people na gustong silang saktan. In fact, Jesus never told the centurion, tigilan mo na ang trabaho mo. Pati si John the Baptist, actually binigyan pa nga niya ng advice nung itong mga group of soldiers nagpabaptize sa kanya. Tinanong sa kanya, itong mga soldiers na to, ano na dapat namin gawin after now we're baptizing? We got baptized, no? Ang sabi ni John the Baptist sa kanila, take money from no one by violence or by false accusations. Be content with your pay. In short, be a good soldier. Huwag niyong lolokohin ang kapwa niyo. Huwag niyong aarburin through violence yung kanilang mga ari-arian. Be content with your pay. Honor God in your profession because it's an honorable profession to take care of people, to protect the innocent. Okay? So, I don't think self-defense is out of the question. Okay? I do think, however, that this verse is talking about fulfillment of Isaiah 53 verse 12. Let me just read it for you. Ang sabi dito sa verse na to, sabi ni Kristo sa mga disipulo, but now, the one who has a money bag must take it, and likewise a traveler's bag too. And the one who has no sword must sell his cloak and buy one. So there are three things na kailangan nilang dalhin. Kailangan nilang dalhin ang kanilang money belt, yung lalagyan nila na belt bag ng pera. Kailangan nilang dalhin yung kanilang knapsack. And at the same time, kung wala silang sword, they go and get a sword. Kung kinakailangan, ibenta nila yung cloak nila. Now, bakit daw? For I tell you that this scripture must be fulfilled in me. Ano tong scripture na to? He was counted with the transgressors, for it is written about me. For what is written about me is being fulfilled. Okay? So let's be objective. Actually, they got two swords. At hindi sinabi ni Kristo, itapon niyo yan. No? And the reason why they have two swords is probably because they need it for protection. But Jesus never told them to use it as well. So, hindi tayo masyadong clear doon bakit mayroon silang dalang sword. Okay? But, of course, you go to the next few verses, malalaman mo si Peter, nung pinutol niya yung tenga nung servant of the high priest, pinagalitan siya ni Kristo at sinabi sa kanya, if you live by the sword, you're gonna die by the sword. This is not how you push the gospel message. I still have to go through the cross because this is the will of the Father. Now, going back to Isaiah 53 verse 12, kung bakit niya pinapagawa to sa kanila. Because Isaiah 53 verse 12 talks about God assigning a portion to the servant mentioned in Isaiah. Let me just read it to you. I will assign him a portion with the multitudes. He will divide the spoils of victory with the powerful. Okay? May grupo doon ng tao na ibibigay ang Diyos dito sa servant na ito. Bakit daw? Because he willingly submitted to death. Willing siyang ibigay ang sarili niyang buhay. Willing siyang ibigay ang buhay niya dito sa mga taong ito. He was numbered with the transgressors, the rebels. He associated himself with these rebels in order that he may take the punishment for them. Kaya nga sinabi dito, when he lifted up the sin of many and intervened on behalf of the rebels. So let's be very clear about that. This message is not about self-defense, although meron place for that, okay? But this is not about self-defense. This is about Jesus fulfilling the prophecy of Isaiah 53 verse 12. And with that, God bless.